Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be uploaded here. So I'm not gonna be uploaded this one into my main YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make a video for this one. So I've got here this the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So okay, we've got the all-day 5000 milliamp hours battery. We've got the Vivid 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display, and we've got some 50 megapixels plus 5 megapixels and also plus 2 megapixels triple rear camera system. So and it also is a 128 built-in storage. Okay, and we've got right here is from the Cricket card, okay, from the Cricket and also this is a prepaid, I think, but the phone is the phone is free. Okay, I just need to pay for the load of this one, right? So disclaimer, I already unboxed this one, and also I already, for that, it's because I need to set up the device. Okay, I need to set up the device before making unboxing video, and also for the first impression. Okay, we've got the phone, and also right here is we've got the over here we got the SIM card. Okay, we got the SIM card for the Cricket. So I already paid for the load 35. Okay, so that is the one that I've been paying for. Okay, sa 35 for the load, and we've got some cardboard only. We've got the Cricket service setup guide. So yeah, I already mentioned that I just paid for the load. Okay, for the $35. Not bad. Okay, not bad for the price. Okay, and then also gonna have to for the gonna have to activate also, right? So since the salesperson in Walmart gonna already activate out already, so I'm gonna have to activate this one. So gonna have for that one. Okay, and also we've got a SIM ejector. Yeah, and we've got some another terms and conditions, and we've got a USB-C to USB-C charging. So I think this is gonna be a fast wireless, right? So this is not compatible for the wireless charging, right? So I'm gonna have to use this one. Okay, so okay, gonna have to step aside. Okay, and then we're gonna have to go to this one. So let's go, gonna have to check it out. So yeah, I turned it off, but I'm gonna have to turn it on again just for each and every one of you. Okay, so I'm gonna have to. So we've got a bigger right? So and I have the bigger phone right over here. So compared to my S23 FE also, I think this is gonna be a better one. Okay, so here we go. So it's secured by Knox and also powered by Android. Oh, look at that, some Cricket emojis. Okay, smile, you're on Cricket. All right. Okay, so just gonna have to turn it on. Okay, so got right here is the SIM card. Okay, look at that, we've got the SIM card. So I'm gonna have to configure that one earlier. Okay, after this, and also I already made a swipe to unlock. Okay, here we go. So we've got the phone is starting. So when I turn it on, is on 50, right? 50. So because I'm gonna have to charge that up. So okay, we've got right here, we've got the AMOLED display. Okay, just what you see in the box. Okay, and we got some right over here. So just default. So I'm gonna have to make this as a gaming phone, right? So since the games on my S23 FE, I'm gonna have to transfer it in here also, right? Okay, so since is not, for the memory of the phone. Okay, so we've got a nice camera. Okay, we've got a good, gonna have to check that out. Okay, we're gonna have to check. Okay, yeah. So tap quick control. Okay, look at that. Nice. Okay, so since it is so dark, right? So you're gonna have to, you look at that. So I'm gonna have to make a review for this one, right? So yeah, good. Also, I really like the, style of the, okay. And then we've got right over here is the gun. Oh, okay. Gonna get over to the, but still the same. Let's go. Gonna have to check if there's a screen recorder. All right. There's no screen recorder. Okay. Okay. So that's bad. Okay. There's no screen recorder for this one. Okay. But yeah, there's no screen recorder. So I think I'm gonna have to install a screen recorder for this. Yeah, so you can see. And it's also yeah, the assistive touch is also all good, right? So fast. Okay, fast. Look at that. Okay. So go back to this one. We're gonna get over onto this. We've got some quick share also, right? Quick share for the, Android Samsung devices, right? So we got over here is the portrait. We got also the airplane, the flashlight, mobile data, mobile hotspot. You got some mobile hotspot, I think. So yeah, I don't know if gonna be, I can use a mobile hotspot, right? Okay, and then we got do not disturb. We've got the play music, smart view, mirror screen, okay. Smart things for the device control. So let's get over onto the settings. Okay, so we're gonna get over to the about phone. So we've got right here is the A17 5G. And also we've got the I still don't put the SIM card on it, okay. And also we've got the software also. We got and I think it's already updated onto the latest version, right? So, and let's get over here is for the general management. We got some, yeah, it's still the same as the other. And also we've got the software update. We got that one right there. Okay, and then got some what else? Okay, what else? So gonna have to check that out. So we've got also the wallpaper style. We got some themes, home screen, lock screen, and also safety and emergency accounts and backup, and also labs. Okay, so what is it? Okay, we've got the storage right over here, so gonna have to check. We got the 103 gigabyte of free space. Okay, and also the memory is also 892 megabytes available. So 2.5 gigabyte of 4 gigabyte. Okay, so and it's also we got some diagnostics if you can check that one. Touchscreen sensors, charging more. So let's see, we're gonna have to check that out. So yes, I believe okay, this is not a wireless charging. Okay, your service cost remain charged along with related content. Samsung memory. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll look at that. So yeah, so that's all for the, this one over here. So that was the diagnostics. Okay, so learning usage. What is it? Learning usage patterns. You can check that one, right? Okay, I'm gonna have to check that one for this one. So we've got some. Today is also gonna have to check that auto dim screen, battery show, battery percentage, battery information, just like that. Okay, so and then battery capacity. Okay, we got the battery capacity of the 5,000 milliamp hours, typical. Okay. Okay, I didn't see that one in my S23 FP, alright, okay. Yeah, great. Okay, and then we've got some right over here for the digital and well-being. So for the kids, gonna have to, driving monitor, walking monitor, volume, check how loudly you're listening, and also got some, like that one, right? So connected devices also is a, like that one. So yeah, and then also got some, why is Washington? Okay, I'm gonna have to change also. Agree. Okay. um Change to precise, I think, precise location. Okay. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. So since I am now in Cheyenne, Wyoming, okay, it's already been, yeah, all right. Look at that. So, and also June, okay, son, okay, that's really good. And also we've got the health and wellness, okay, balance, rest, and activity. So yeah, okay, some for the Samsung Health, they also some, okay, gonna have to, okay, gonna have to enable that one. Okay. Also, yeah, and overall, okay, I'm gonna have to check the overall health. So you're all set, or your health journey starts now. So they got some. I in my S23, in my S23 FA, it also has this one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to cancel that one first. Okay, okay, yeah. There you go. So gonna have to, since I don't have a Galaxy Watch, okay, so gonna have to skip that one. And also we've got some games, okay. I just have to, I'm gonna have to uninstall that game, right? So since it is not, for that, okay. So yeah, there you go. So we've got some headlines, I think, for the news, and also for the cricket also, right? Okay, so and then yeah. Good. So I also love that it is so responsive, okay? It is so responsive. Really like that one. So okay, so yeah. Nice. So my first impression for this one is, yeah, I really like this one. Okay, I also like this one. So since I'm gonna have to use this for my games, okay. So for my other games that I want to record it and to put into my gameplay, okay, channel. Yeah. So since some of the games is gonna, and also is supported as a fingerprint scanning. Okay. Okay. Swipe to unlock. Okay. Why? Okay. Alright, so it needs again, okay. So what does it is not, for for the, like this one, okay. Yeah. So I already configured the fingerprint scanning, okay. But okay, that one is a really good, okay. This one is a really good, okay. So my first impression for this one, yeah, I really like it. Okay, so it has a capacity of also 5,000 milliamp hours battery, and also got some new features for this one. So my S23 FE is also been updated onto the latest One UI. So this right here is also updated also in the latest One UI. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna have to what is this? I'm gonna have to I'm already gonna have to configure the SIM card, okay. Okay, I think I already have another SIM card ejector, right? So I'm gonna have to sleep that one, okay. So I think it's only SIM card, okay. No tray for the SD card. Oh, okay. Whoa, okay. I didn't realize that you can put some SD card. Okay. Since I also have an SD card that I bought from Walmart a couple of days ago. Okay. So, I didn't realize that one. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the SIM card on to activate the $35 per month. Okay, so gonna have to, Alright, so check SIM and SD card tray. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, what is this? Okay, I don't know what is that. Okay. So, okay, there it goes. Cricket, ano number? There's no number. Okay. Okay, done. Alright, okay. What is this one? So, Wi-Fi calling. Okay. So, it says right here, gonna have to activate my... Okay, there's a number in here. For use with 4G LTE, 5G, 5G Plus, and 5G standalone devices. Okay, I'm gonna have to, before you begin, new Cricket customers transfer phone number, account PIN and password, last 4 digits of social security number, okay, and account billing zip code, okay, before you begin. Okay, activate on phone, enclose the insert and close SIM card, see the quick start guide for phone information. Okay, what is the, okay. Hi, it's Cricket. Okay, what is this one? Okay, let's go and have to. Okay. Okay, what is this? Hi, okay, it's Cricket here. Wi-Fi call is a great as Cricket. You can set your permanent pin and choose your security question and answer by visiting. Okay, so we're gonna have to check that one. Activate on phone. What is that? Okay. Your new. Oh, what is this one? Okay. Okay, there you go. Okay, I gonna have to check that out. Okay. Okay, there you go. Your new mobile number is 3. Okay, there you go. Quickie service is subject to terms and conditions. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to blur that one. Okay. So, since like private information for me. Okay. Insert and close SIM. Follow this where you choose the plan. Transfer, get a new phone number, and add airtime. See the label on the bottom of the box to find your device ID and SIM card. Turn on your phone and follow on-screen instructions to complete phone setup. Make a test call to confirm activation. What is that? Okay, another one again. What is that? Okay. A quick Cricket update. You can see your voicemail messages. A quick, okay, to let you know you can manage your account. Alright, okay. So, it's still, like that one for the Cricket wireless. So, I don't know if my load of 35 is gonna be, okay, so it says right here, follow, visit, activate, cricketwireless.com. Okay. What is that? Okay. Thank you for choosing Cricket. Randall, if you have a question, say word it for the virtual assistant. Okay. I'm gonna have to activate it first, okay? I'm gonna have to activate. So it's gonna be, okay. So, okay, alright. It's already done. So, I already activate on phone and also activate online. So, we've got create an account, login, follow the steps to activate service online. Insert the, is this still the same response. So, activate on phone. We've got the set quick startup guide, okay, and then turn your phone and follow instructions for the phone. Open the text messages from Cricket and click the link. If you don't receive a text, turn on Wi-Fi and go to activate, okay, and then restart your phone and make a test call to confirm your activation is complete, right? So okay, alright, so here we go. So got a new phone and also this a good one, okay, perfect. Alright, so I'm gonna have to step aside this first, okay. So okay, that's it, okay, that's it for the video, okay. So my final thoughts, my impression, a good phone, and it's also a good one, a big phone, okay, from Samsung A17 5G, okay. This is the new one for their line of A series. Alright, so okay, thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy, and thank you And don't forget to subscribe, click that notification bell, guys, so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned. It's because I'm giving you some of my good stuffs here in my channel. Okay, thank you and see you again on the next one.